Hi, my name is Yadira with Forest Origins. Thank you so much for purchasing our mushroom growing kit. We hope that this mushroom growing kit will be the start of a successful and rewarding experience for you. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, this is perfect for anyone looking to get into the fun and delicious world of mushroom growing in the comfort of your own home. Our mushroom growing kits are handmade each week in small batches to ensure every kit receives the attention it deserves. This dedication to quality means that you can trust that you are getting the best mushroom growing kits available on the market. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your mushroom growing kit. It's a simple process that anyone can follow, so let's get started. It's best to start your kit as soon as you can, as it is a living organism. However, if you need to wait, it is important to store it in a cool, dark, and dry place, such as a pantry or closet, for up to 6 weeks. Inside the box, you will find everything you need to get started. You will find an instructional card that has the detailed instructions and a QR code that will lead you to our frequently asked questions page and other useful resources. You will also find a spray bottle to keep your kit hydrated, and of course, you will get a fully colonized mushroom mycelium kit. Here are the 4 simple steps to start growing your mushrooms. Cut into the marked X on the kit approximately 1 inch deep. Do not make any additional cuts, as this can affect your results. Lift the flaps and lightly scratch the top layer with a fork or knife. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of water. Get ready to witness the magic of mushroom growth. To ensure your kit stays hydrated and healthy, mist 2 to 3 times daily. In about 10 days, you'll be able to harvest your very own homegrown mushrooms. It's an exciting process, so make sure to keep a close eye on your kit as it grows and develops. Happy mushroom farming!